Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn how you can make your own screen recording look more realistic and professional in DaVinci Resolve. You can create this kind of realistic screen recording effect in DaVinci Resolve very easily. So first of all, you have to download the RGB pixel pattern from the internet and we will open this in the DaVinci Resolve. Here you can see in the edit page, I have already imported the screen recording file and we will open this in the Fusion page. Now you have to import the RGB pixel pattern file and connect this with the media in with a merge. Now selecting the merge, go to the inspector tab and set the edge to wrap and set the apply mode to screen. Now decrease the size and also reduce the blend value around 0.2. Now after the median we will add a mosaic blur and set the pixel frequency around 2000. Now after the merge on we will add a brightness or contrast and set the gain value around 1.25 and decrease the lift little bit. Now after that we will add a glow node and you can adjust the glow size or glow value according to your clip. Okay, now finally we will add the DVE. Here it is. Now you can adjust the XYZ position to get the right angle and also change the XY position to get a focused view of the part of your clip that you want and also reduce the Z move. Okay, now for the first frame we will add the keyframe here and go to the last frame and we will slightly adjust our X or Y position and make the scene animated like this. Okay, I think we are done, but final step we have to do, go to the spline and select the DVE and click on the fit to screen and select all the keyframes and press S. Now move the right slider little bit like this. Okay, let's check how our footage is gonna look like. Okay, that's look really nice and awesome. So if you learned anything from this video, make sure to hit the like and I will see you in the next one.